Afternoon, guys. Right, are you ready to see the building site? Start to think, was it a mistake? That's what I've done so far. I took 3 days digging down that much. Can't believe how thick I built it last time. Probably expecting a nuclear war. That's why it was so strong. But that's all the rubble. Running out of space. We'll get a skip next day off. But I want to get as much rubble up as I can before I order a skip, because I don't want to keep the skip for too long. I know I will have to get another one when this wall comes down. Anyway, let me show you little Skinny Pete. That is Skinny Pete. Looking like a proper little fish now. Still only small. But he's caught up with the ones in here. And you see that little tiny one down there. That was that last one I found that come through the filter. Yeah, he's growing. But I'm pleased with little Skinny Pete. Big boys seem alright. Water's back up to 16 degrees. They have slowed down with their eating, obviously. It doesn't look like it, but I've cut it down to only twice a day now. Babies are over there still. They're feeding all right. Rest of the garden looks alright. Just down here. Was it a mistake starting such a... Well, I didn't think it was going to be this big a job, to tell you the truth. I didn't realise how strong it was. But too late to go back now. I've gone down about, that's about 16 inches I suppose. I don't really want to go down any more than that until the wall's out. But as you can see, I've still got all that to do. Right up to there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the little update. I'll see you on the next one.